Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Twitter account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the more button down below in the left side column. Then click on settings and support, tap on settings and privacy below, click on privacy and safety, which is the third option in this section, and then click on tap on security and access, and then click on security, which is the first option. Here click on two-factor authentication, and here you can select how would you like to do this two-factor authentication process, such as via text message. So you are going to get a text message on your phone with an authentication code when you want to log into your account, or you can also use an authentication app or a security key. So select the relevant one and tap into this box, and after that click on get started. So in this case you should confirm your phone number by sending you a text message with a confirmation code, and then you should tap on the send code button, and then you should enter your authentication code that you are going to receive. Or you can also see this link to the app to your Twitter account. So you should scan this QR code, and then you will be able to install the application. If you use the security key method, it means that you should add the security key to your Twitter account. So insert the security key in the USB port of your computer, or sync it to your mobile device over Bluetooth or NFC. Then touch the key to add it to your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.